division of fractions. Suppose we had 2 3/4 divided by a quarter. Now in fact I know the answer is 11. How do I know this? Because I know in one whole one there are 4 quarters. So in 2 whole ones there'll be 8 quarters. Add the 3 more makes 11 quarters. So the answer is 11. But let's suppose it's a bit more complicated. So first, 2 times 4 is 8. So it's 11 over 4 divided by 1 over 4. So it's 11 over 4. And when we divide, we multiply by 4 over 1. We turn it upside down. The 4 cancels. So the answer is 11, which I told you. Now suppose we have, let's close this down a minute. Suppose we had 2 3/4 divided by 1 1/4. Now this may be a nasty answer, so I just remembered it. Right, so first turn to improper fractions. 2 times 4 is 8, so it's 11 over 4. Divided by 1 times 4 is 4, add 1, so it's 5 over 4. Equals 11 over 4. When we divide, we multiply, so it's 4 over 5. The 4 cancels, so it's 11 over 5. 5 and 11 goes twice, which is 10, and 1 left over, that's 1/5. Okay. Suppose we had 1 1/2 add 2 1/3 divided by 1/3. Now this is a wee bit of a trick question really. Remember you have to multiply and divide first. So I'd write this down as 1 1/2 plus. We're now going to do the division part. So 2 times 3 is 6, so it's 7 over 3. Divided by 1 over 3, which is 1 1/2. Not dealing with that yet. Plus 7 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 1. So 1 1/2 plus the 3 cancels here, so that gives us 7. So the answer is 8 1/2. 8 1/2. What about this one? 1 1/2 multiplied by 1 1/4 divided by 2 1/3. Right. So we've got to turn them all into improper fractions. So it's 1 times 2 is 2, so it's 3 over 2. That's for 1 1/2. For the 1 1/4, 1 4 is 4, so it's 5 over 4 divided by 2 to the 6, so it's 7 over 3. So this is 3 over 2 times 5 over 4. Instead of dividing, we multiply, which is 7 over 3. No, it isn't. I haven't turned it upside down. I've done that wrong. Right, which is 3 over 7. Now, I invented this sum, and I haven't done it very well. So it won't cancel. Nothing from the top to the bottom. So a bit unfortunate. So 3 5s are 15 times that 3 there. 2 4s are 8 times by the 7. So 3 5s are 15, that's 5, carry 1, 3 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3, and 1 is 4, 7 8s are 56. And I don't think anything will cancel, so that would be the answer to the question. That's the answer. Okay.